your skin losing its firmness? Skin sagging and wrinkles make your appearance look old and frail. Firming your skin will remove the signs of aging, making it seem like you have rolled back the clock to your youth. Blackpain's Rose Honey uses 3 main powerful ingredients to make your skin maintain its elasticity and return to its suppleness again. The first ingredient, honey. Honey is such a popular healing agent, highly recognized to be used since the ancient times. The stories of honey for healing can be found in the Bible, the Quran, the Torah, and even ancient Roman and Greek scripts. Honey has been recorded to treat all types of illnesses, even reversing poisoning. Rose honey uses only top-grade honey farmed in Japan. This honey is rich in many nutrients like minerals and vitamins that are essential to rebuild the elasticity of your skin. Honey, just like aloe vera, is a humectant and it attracts and retains moisture. Take note that keeping hydration in your skin layers will enhance its suppleness, smooth out wrinkles, and improve the appearance of firmness to your skin. The second ingredient of rose honey is the precious rose oil. How precious is it? It takes 2,600 rose flower heads to acquire just 1 gram of oil. We use top-grade Damask rose oil from flowers harvested during the hailed golden timing, which is the 1 hour before dawn breaks, with only 20 harvest days in the entire year. Its antioxidative property slows the breakdown of collagen and elastin, which are the 2 proteins essential for the elasticity of your skin. The third and most important ingredient of rose honey is the rising star of the beauty industry, the French Maritime pine bark extract. This extract is from pine that grows from barren lands along the coastline of Western Europe. Its amazing vitality overrides extremely harsh living conditions. Our rose honey contains the extract from its bark, and it's called pycnogenol. It stimulates the production of hyaluronic acid and collagen underneath your skin. They plump your skin inside out, flattening wrinkles and ironing out creases. Rose honey is part of the human microbiome range, which is fortified with a probiotic called Lactobacillus. Because of probiotics, our rose honey doubles its effectiveness. This probiotic speeds up wound healing, slows oxidation, protects against bad bacteria, and keeps your skin moist and plump. All of our products are made from premium quality EcoCert approved organic ingredients. There are no alcohols, no preservatives, or synthetic fragrances. With Blackpain, you will allow your skin to be beautiful naturally. At Blackpain, we have made a continuous effort to improve our products. Because of this dedication, we have achieved the 10th consecutive year of the Grand Gold Medal of the Monday Selection Awards in the year 2019. This award is a globally renowned award run by the International Institute of Quality Selections in Belgium, equivalent to the difficulty of maintaining a 3-star Michelin accolade for 10 consecutive years.